Till here, we had completed in the previous class. I had taught you what is function and how can you use it function in your programs and what is the benefit of using functions. Uh, the benefits of using function is we can usually it in program while writing it once. You can write it once and use it many times. We can reduce the duplication of code by using the functions. For example, in the math function, you want add function time to time for just printing and adding two numbers. So you can call the functions whenever you are in the need of that. It is also improving the clarity of the code. We can reuse the code whenever we want, and it is also information hiding. If I am using the add function, it just giving me the result of the addition of two number. It doesn't show me what is the process behind the adding two number and what is the code behind that two number or whatever the code we are using, just like squaring of two numbers, cubing of two numbers for the prime numbers and whatever we are using in the program. So now we are the next topic is constructing a list. Uh, in the first or in the second class, I had taught you what how you can construct a list by defining just a name, whatever you are using as a variable. Here I am using student and assigning some values like Rama, Ananda, and Danish. We can use more than that. Here I am only using three uh, to assign them. In the next thing, you we can use also string like A, B, C. And let me clear one more thing. Whenever you are using the numerical part, you don't have to put it in the inverted comma. But whenever you are using the string part or giving the characters into the Python list, you can have to use the inverted comma in that. So here we can construct some list. For example, I had to construct a list of a float. So I have to assign like this and using the square bracket and putting some number like 2.6, 3.5, 4.08. So by using this, we can define the float list. So here we are using this float as a variable and assigning some numbers to it like that. And further, we are using this as a slicing and indexing for the further use in the programs. So we can construct a list by using this square bracket and assigning some values to it, like ABC or 1, 2, 3, and numbers. And we can use the whole multiple as like uh, I'm using complex variable, like complex, and assigning to it. Firstly, I am assigning numerical part, then some string also, some character. So whenever we are using a string or a character, we have to use this inverted comma in it, and we can assign to the any list. List has some function in the Python programming for like just I have to sort. So using this float, then sort function to sort them. Uh, I think now the answer is 2.6, 3.5, 4.0. Let me put it once more like 1.02. Another one is 2.03. So my answer is firstly it is print say 1.02, then 2.03, 2.6, 3.5, and lastly it is printing 4.03. So firstly we have to run this cell, then this cell. Yeah, float. So this is the answer like saying so. If you want to insert some values in it, you have to use the insert function, dot insert. Like I have to insert at the index of 2 and I want to insert 3.04. So at the index of 2, 0, 1, 2, my value is 3.04 is inserted. We can insert using the append function also, but append is used giving the value in the last. We can use this all function. Uh, for example, okay, you okay. This append function is using to insert in the list at the last position. Whenever I'm appending something, it is going to at the last position. In the insert function, you have to in the insert function, you have to give the value and as well as the index also. In the clear, you can clear all the list and giving a empty list as an output after using this clear function. You can copy it. You can use count function to know how many elements present in the list. You can use extend. By using extend, you can extend the value of the list. In the index function, you can get the value of index. For example, if I am giving the index and I'm giving value 2.6, then it provide me the 3 value as the output because 0, 1, 2, 3 at the index of 3 in the float list, the value is 2.6 present. Uh, you can use this pop function to remove the element from the last. If I am using pop function in this float, then the printed value of 4.08 is not coming in the next step. You can remove it. You can reverse the whole list by using this reverse function, and by using this sort function, you can sort in the ascending or descending order. When you are when you are sorted in the ascending order, you have to use this sort function only. And when you want to in the descending order, you can use this sort and reverse is equals to false. I am telling you, you can use this list function by using dot in the Google Colab. And there is some function like insert, append, clear, copy, count, extend, index, pop, remove, reverse, sort. So by these functions, you can do some activity in the list. Like in the insert function, you can insert at a particular position in the list. By using the append method, you can append some value at the last in the list. By using clear function, you can clear the list and give the output as a empty list. By using this copy function, you can create a copy of that particular list which is existing previously. By this count value, you can know how many elements present in the list. By using this index value, you can know is there any number which is present at any index in the list. By this pop method, you can pop the value at the last from the list. By using this remove function, you can remove the element from the list. By this reverse function, you can reverse the whole value. Like if I am using this reverse function here, float dot reverse, then it give me the value like 4.08, 3.5, 3.04, 2.6, 3.04, 2.03, 1.02. By using this reverse function, you can reverse the whole list. By using this sort function, you can sort the list in the ascending order. And if you want to sort in the descending order, you can use the reverse is equals to false. And if you're using reverse is equals to true, it gives you the ascending order. in these functions? Insert, append, clear, copy, count, extend, index, pop, remove and sort and reverse. No, sir. No, sir. So by this, you can use some functions in the list and you can create some activities in the program. Now, second thing is indexing. By indexing, you can know the value of the particular item in the list. Just like here, I am assigning a value, defining a list like A is equals to 1 to 8. Now I want what is the value at A0. Uh, in the programming language, indexing starts from 0. Okay. So you can use this print function, and if you want to print the one value, you can use this 0. If you want this two value as an output, you can use here as 1. So I'm going to show you how you can get these values. Here I'm assigning A is equals to less like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, 9 also. 8 and 9. I want the output as a 7. So I have to put it here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. If I am using A square bracket 6, then it is give me output as a 7 because 1 is my zeroth index, 2 is my first index, 3 is my second, and it is continuing like this. At the at the index of 8, my 9 number is present in the list. Yeah, 7. If you want the value as a reverse order, you can use this -1 also. If you use -1 as an index, it will give you the value as 9. So this is the -1 index. This is -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, -9. Okay. And if I want this whole value printed as a output, so I run a for loop range for I in range. There is one more function, len function, by which you can know what is the length of the list. So here I am providing this len of A, uh, by which the range function is goes to particular value, and I am printing the value of print A, and in the index I am providing 1. So what is the value of this? What is the output of this? Can anyone tell me? Sir, is reverse value will not start from 0? No, it is not start from 0. It is starting from -1. -1 to the value present in that particular list. Uh, can you guys tell me what is the answer of this particular code for I in range of len of A? All values will be printed. Yeah, all values will be printed. So firstly, it will print 9, and afterward, it will print 1 to 9. Sorry, 8. Venkateshwar now. What 8? Sorry, 8. You had right. Sorry, 8. All values will print. Yeah, all values will print. Okay, the next thing is slicing. By using this slice method, you can get some of its value. Like you have assigning a list here. For example, I am assigning a list in the Python where I am providing the uh, day in a month. For example, I am giving 1 to 31 of the month July. Okay. And I want only the result of 15th of July to 20th of July. So by using this slicing method, I can get the output of the 15th of July to the 20th of July as a result in the program. Okay. Here I am going to use this function. For example, I had write some code here. In the list, I have defined 1 to 8 as a value. Here I am using this list method, and this is the sign of the slicing. Here you have to provide before colon, you have to provide the starting point, and after the colon, you have to provide the ending point. So here I am starting from 0 and going to the 2. So the my value as the output is 1 and 2. This is 1 and 2 as my result because it is not going to 0 to 2. It is going to 0 and 1. Whatever the ending point, it not goes to that point. It is goes to before that. For example, I'm assigning here like 0 column 2. So it will give me 0th index and the first index as my result. Here I have nothing assigned from starting. So it will start from the starting from the list. It is start from here 1, 2, and 3. It will print 0th index, first index, and the second index. So I will get the output as a 1, 2, 3. I am getting 1, 2, and 3. Uh, in this, I have providing the starting point as 1 and ending point as 3. Can you guys tell me what is the answer? 1 colon 3. I'm giving you the list. Right. I'm giving you the whole code. 2 and 3. Yes. So here the whole code. What is the value of 2 colon 5? 2, 3. Yeah, yeah, 2, 3. It is 2, 3. Okay, okay, okay. What is the value of this particular print list 2 colon 5? It will start from 2, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2. It will start from 3 and goes to till 5. So it means 4. So the value as output is 3, 5, and 6. Here you can get 3, 5, and 6. Um, and if you didn't provide any starting and ending in the slicing method, then it will print all the elements present in the list. Like here it will print as a whole list as a output, like 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. And list is providing here 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, guys, tell me what is the answer of this? Minus 1 colon minus 2. Print list minus 1 comma colon minus 2. 9 and 8, Kartik Kumar, 8. Okay, 9 and 8. Last two, 9, 8, 9, 8. What I had told you, it will start from minus 1 and goes till minus 2 to plus 1. It will not go at that point which I am providing as the end point. So this it will give me output as only the minus 1 Okay, wait a second. After I let my screen. So it will provide you nothing because it will start from -1. It will start from 8 and end at 7. So here in between this, there is no item present here. Empty. Yeah, it will provide you empty. And if I am modifying it like -4, then what is the answer? Okay, negative indexing is not working in the slicing. Okay, negative indexing is not working in the slicing. You have a small work here. You have to give me the answer of this code, 23 or 23. You all have to give me the answer of this code. Here I am defining a list z is equals to 3742. Tell me what is the value of this. Print z at 0th index. Print z at -1 index. 3. Okay. First answer is right. 3. Yeah. You have to write all the answers of this. You can write it once and send me after you have complete all this. You have to done it all once. And after complete it, you can send it. Okay. It will provide 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 7, 3, 7, 4, 7, 4, 2. 3 fish, 4, 2. Jolu Lathasri, your answer is right, but the fourth one is wrong. The fourth one is 742. Nandan Kumar 32747 fish 3742. No, this is wrong answer. Only the first one and this only the first one is right answer. Otherwise it is wrong. Please explain again. Yeah, I will explain again. By using this step method, you can go. If you didn't define it, it will take as a one step. And if you're defining it just like I want to print only the okay, For example, here I am defining a list in which I have put uh, for I range 50, 51. A is equals to empty list for any range of A dot append I. A. Okay, I have the list of 1 to 50. If I want only the odd digit numbers here, uh, what is my odd digit number? It is 1, 3, 5, 6. Okay, so I will get this odd digit number by slicing. Here I am defining A. Start from the first index. I will go till the end, 51 by using 2 star. List indices must be integers or slight, not tuple. Now I have to say the tuple name. You got the values, odd values there, like 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. And if you want the, okay, just tell me the answer. Write a code where I want the output, only the output where the value is even number. Write this code only. Print A and whatever I have to, what I have to put here as the place of 1, what I have to put at the place of 51, and what I have placed at the value of 2. Just write a code. 51 is not present in the given list, sir. What I had told you recent is that you have to slicing till the end. Means if I am giving the 51 list, it will go at the 50 only. Jolu Lathasri, at the place of 50, you have to put 51. It will no go, didn't give you the index value of 50. Is my screen is visible to you? Or okay, some of the student is giving me answer as 50 and here as 0. I will tell you what happened here. You didn't get the value of 50 here. Okay. And if I am at the place of 50, I am modifying it 51. You can get the value of 50. When you give the 50 value, okay, I'm telling you what happened. When you give the 50 value, it will only go till 49th value. It didn't recognize the 50th value. Okay, when I am providing 51 here, it will go till 50th value. And 50 is my even number. So you have to take care of that. You have to provide the index where you have to got the pre output value as input. Okay, sir. Up to 48 even numbers here. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Golam Madavi. Yeah, you can like write like that 2 comma 50. You don't have to use this comma. You have to use the colon. 2 comma 51 comma 2. You can get the you didn't get the value 0. And 0 is also a even number. Sir, why is added at last, sir? 2. Because we want only the second value. Means it is just like a step. If I am going to just step by step, like one step, you can use here one, or you don't have to use there any step. If I am using here three, then what are my values? It will print the value of 369. It will give you the multiple of 3. Okay. And if I am printing use here 4, it will give me the value of multiple of 4. So can you can use this to represent the table also. By using slicing method, you can print the table of any multiple also. Okay, I'm giving you a list in which I'm defining the value. Okay, you all have to create a list in which you have to number 1 to 1000 and give me the output of first the output is of multiple of 2. Second output is of 7 multiple of 7, and third output is of multiple of 4. Write a code by using the slicing method. Only slicing method you have to use. Okay, I'm going telling you how. You have to create a 1 to 1000 list. You have to create 1 to 1000 list, and after that you have to give me the output of multiple of 7 as a output. Multiple of 7, multiple of 4, and multiple of 3. Okay. You have to write the whole code. You have to write the whole code. I have given you this. A is equals to 1 to 1000. You have to also creating a list here. You have to creating a list also. Yeah, I know you can use this print A 010012. Okay. Farhana R. Can you just tell me what is the answer of this? Farhana R. I want the whole code. I didn't want the answer like this. I want the whole code. First, you have to create a list in which the value is A is equals to 1 to 1000. Farhana R. Is my question is that you have to print even numbers. My question is multiple of 7, 4, and 3. I didn't ask you to print the even numbers. Yeah, 0714. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I want the answer in this form, in the list form. You have to write a code so that I can run it over here and give you as the output of the question I am asking to you. You have time of 5 minutes. You can do, otherwise I will do. Sorry, sir, I heard as multiple of two. Okay, no worry. My question is this. A is equals to, you have to create a list in which 1 to 1000 numbers is present. After that, you have to write a multiple of 7 code, multiple of 4 code, and multiple of 3 code. Surusiti Kushuma, where I have to use this all. You have to write a proper code in a Python. You have to write a whole code. Nandan Kumar. Okay, this is the right for the printing the multiples. Where is your list? I didn't give you the list. You have to create a list for 1000 numbers. You have to create a list in which you have 1 to 1000 numbers. Then after you using, you have to use this print for Hana Raj. Asif 6. For I in a range of this. Okay. Yeah, Asif 6. You are going in the right path. For I in a range, A of I is equals to I. A of I is equals to I. Yeah, it will write. A dot append I. Okay. K Gayatri. How you can print this A is equals to 1 to 1000? This is not a right way. I have to give you the question in that way. You didn't have to answer in that way. It is just a single line of code. You can create any number of lists. It is a single line of code. Okay, okay, okay. This is the whole code. Firstly, you have to define an empty list. After that, you can use this for loop to creating a list in which you have the value of 1 to 1000 as a number in the list. You can append the ith value. Firstly, it is going from 0, then 0 is appending in it. After that, you can start the indexing from 0th also. Print AI. Okay, the first line is a multiple of 7, second line is a multiple of 4, and third line is a multiple of 3. So can you can use this method by which you can print the multiple of any number 11, 12, 16. But you have to take care of this index values to slice them. Okay. Nana Nanapu Chandra Kala, what is your doubt? You have right print A of I is equals to I. I want list now. You can't you have to print the value of A of I here. But I want this values as a list. It will print the values, but didn't give you a list of numbers. Is there a doubt till now? Any student have any doubt till now in today's class regarding slicing, indexing, and constructing of a list? You can use slicing if you want to pick a random. Okay, but with the Python has also a random function. Like if I want a random, okay, I will create a list in which I create a rand. Okay, here I have to use this import function, import random. Print random. You can use this random value import the random also. Random dot random. Here I have defined the value. Okay, I have to define cell column two start and end to Okay, by if I am running it again, it will give me the different number. So by using this random function, you can get any number from in the range of 2 to 10. If I am extending it, it will give me the 45. If I am running it again, it will give me the 77. Rand list dot append random dot random. Yeah, you can use like this also. Nadi Minti Savinia. Savinia. Yeah. About what the class is. Sir, if you want to, okay, no, sir. Uh, Nadi Minti Savinia. What is your doubt? Krupanand. If the value have the string values, if a list have a string values, it is behaving like a numbers also. Okay, this class is about a list constructing, slicing, and indexing, and afterward, list comprehension and manipulation. I have given you the PPTs of the today's class. You can check it from there also. I will share it again. Till here, any student have any doubt regarding indexing, slicing, constructing a list? No, sir, no, sir. Okay. Now the nothing. So the last topic of today's class is list comprehension. Okay. Uh, List comprehension, by using this list comprehension method, you can write your code in a shorter syntax. For example, here I am using this fruits list in which I have contained apple, banana, cherry, kiwi, and mango. Then I am creating a second list as a name of new list. By using this for loop for x in fruit, x is starting from apple, then in the second iteration it will go to the banana, second iteration cherry, fourth iteration kiwi, and fifth iteration is mango. First it will check if apple has a, then it will append in the new list, else it will continue the program. If the, for example, apple have a, banana have a, cherry doesn't have a, kiwi doesn't have a, mango have a. So my new list has the value apple, banana, and the mango. For just getting these value apple, banana, and mango, you have to write like one, two, three, and four, 5 lines of code. And by using this list comprehension method, you can use this. You can shorter your program in a very less number of lines. X for X in fruits, if A in X. Here also this, the program which I have written here, it is also same as like here. X for X in fruits, if A in X. I will code it for you in the Google Colab. Control C, Control V. Okay. For some time I have commented. Guys, if you want to comment some line in the Python programming, you can use this hashtag. Okay, the new list is I have print this new list here. New list. So my new list contain the value of apple, banana, and mango. Katla Malika. What is the thing you didn't have understood regarding slicing? Let me know in the chat. I will answer it. So you have to write the code of 4 or 5 line of code here, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can sorter it by using the list comprehension method. In the list comprehension method, you can here I have defined the new list and print the new list also. It is also containing the same value as apple, banana, and mango. What I have written here, X for X in fruits. So I have iterate the value of X in this list, fruits list. First, it will go to the zeroth index. In the second iteration, it will go to the banana. Third iteration, cherry. Fourth, kiwi. Fifth, mango. It will check if it contains the value A. So it will execute the value in the new list, append in the new list, or else it doesn't append in the new list. So my answer is same: apple, banana, mango. If I am writing here orange, orange also containing the A as a integer. Oh, A as a character. What happened? String literal. Okay, I have filed it. Like, so my list is got updated and the value as output as apple, banana, mango, and orange. So by using this list comprehension, what is the use of range? By using the range function, you can go till the value. For example, if I'm writing the range value as range 7, so you can go till 6. Whatever the value I have provided in the range, like range 6, so it will go till 5 if I am writing 7, because the indexing starts from 0. Uh, what is X? You can use whatever you want. There is nothing X. X is the iterable here. X is the iterable for which you can use this as an iterator in this fruit list. X is got updated in every iteration. In the first iteration, X is apple. In the second iteration, it is banana. In the third, it is cherry. In the fourth, it is kiwi. In the fifth, it is mango. And in the sixth, it is orange. So X is got updated every time. You can use whatever you want to use. If you don't want to use X, you can use M, P, Q, any alphabet. I, yeah, yeah, you can use I also. There is no problem. But you have to take care of that is you have to update it like here. If I am using I here, I have to use I here also, and here is also I. Got it? I in general. Yeah, I in general. You can use I in general. The list comprehension method you can understood. Please write the code this a dot append print a in your prolab. Okay. It will give you the list of 1 to 1,000. It will give you the list of one. Oh, no, no, no. You have commit a mistake here. Yeah, it is the right. You get the value of 0 to till 1,000. Okay. Sir, iterative means repetitive. Yeah. So you all can understood what is list comprehension. You can use this in the here like I have used. Okay, I am going to use some list here also. For example, you have write new list here like that. Here, here you have created a list. I am using this odd list. Odd is equals to this, and I in I for I in a if a mod 2 is equals to 0. Can anyone tell me what is the answer of this odd? Yes, sir, it's clearly understood, sir, list comprehension. I'm asking about this now. What is the answer of this? I have defined odd here and I am giving I for I in A. A is what? A is list. If A mod 2, okay, A mod 2 does not is equals to 0. Okay, guys, answer me. What is the answer of this list comprehension? Even numbers. No, 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 no. I have write this not value here also. A mod 2 does not is equals to 0. Guys, I have defined odd here. Then it will give me the odd values. Unsupported operand type S for list and int. What happened? Okay, I have to put this now. This memory. I just check names. Oh. Okay, now you got the odd number here. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. You got my mistake. I have used A here. But what I have to use here? I. Okay, that's why it is giving A is a list, you can't divide it. Yeah. That's my mistake. Sorry, sir. I had seen code when A mod 2 is equals to doesn't, don't worry. Okay. Is list comprehension is clear to you all? Is there any doubt regarding this? I am giving you the Colab link so you can see the code, whatever I am writing here. Guys, click on this link and you have to check the link is working or not. You can see my Colab link. Colab. You can revise from this PPT also, and for the code, you can use this Colab. The first code in the Google Colab link is the greater of a three number. First, we have to check for the A if A is greater than B. If not, then it goes in the else part. If yes, then it is also checking for the C. It's working, sir. It is working. Okay, okay, okay. Till now, anybody have any doubt regarding the previous class or today's class? If you have any doubt, you can ask me. No, no, no. There is no class yesterday. No doubt. It's working. Okay. If you don't have any doubt, you can leave the class. If you have an okay, a pop and remove. If I will tell you in the pop function, if you're using the pop, it will remove, it will delete the element only at the last position. In the remove function, you can remove any number. For example, if I am using a list like A is equals to 1 to 10 number, if I have 10 numbers and I am removing the 7 number. So for removing a 7 number, you have to use the remove function. For removing a 10 number, you have to use the pop method. Yeah, you can leave the class if you don't have any doubt. By using the append, you have to append the value. You can use the append value, append function to push the element in the list. You can use the push function also. How many element we can add to the append method? By appending method, you can use only one element at one time. Len function is the function by which you can get the value of the element, how many element is present in a particular list. For example, if I am here using the len value, guys, my screen is not visible. Control C. Wait a minute. If I am using the len function on this list method, so it will give me the output as a how many number present over here. It have present 7 numbers, so it will provide me 7. Okay. So, so you can clearly see by using this len method. This len method is giving me the answer as 7 because it has 7 element present in the list. Got it?